Well, I'm in the process of laying linoleum floor, and I can't give you any tips on laying it and cutting it and all that, but I can give you some tips. When I've got it laid out, of course this is where the refrigerator goes, so it doesn't matter what happens in here. I've got a screw there into it. I've got a screw there. See, I've got a couple of screws there, one there and one over there, doing what I need to do to move this stuff around without worrying about it moving around. But this is one of my rent houses, so it's not that critical. If I was getting paid for it, I wouldn't be doing this. Anyway, all right, so what we're going to do now, we've got the floor level done, all that done. Now we're fixing to pour the glue, or not pour it, but spread the glue down, and then we got to wait about 30 minutes. It is pretty warm today, so it might get dry quicker than that. So here we go. Well, all we do now is wait. Wait till you touch it and it doesn't transfer to your finger. Probably another 30 minutes or so. Well, here we go. Now, what we do, we're going to take the two screws out over there. Two screws over there. Put our glue down. We're going to leave for about an hour, and then we'll come back, lay the last bit. Okay, let's get our glue down. Ran into a little bit of trash. Got it out of here. Oh boy, up we go. That's what you call painting yourself into a corner. Okay. We'll see y'all here in about an hour. Well, we're done. Got the floor laid, rolled it out, glue's down.